So welcome, Animesh. This is CSLD's interview session. Uh, I'm Dhrupajyoti. Can you just introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Animesh Giri. I'm basically from the Saint City, Baleshu. Now I am studying in Gandhi Institute for Technology and pursuing my BTech career in third year in the branch of computer science.
Okay,
That's
great. So you are a computer science student. Oh, can you just tell me why did you choose CSLD in the market where there are big market leaders like Coursera and EDX and Udemy? Why CSLD?
Yeah, I have gone through all the websites, all the other courses platform, other online platforms like Coursera and Udemy too. I have done other courses there also, but something is different in CSLD. There we get only the videos that are pre-recorded and we only see the videos and we ourselves practice. But in the CSLD we get a chance of live teaching or man-to-man teaching. We can clear our doubts anytime asking the teacher. They're too friendly and we just get a conversation, man-to-man conversation. That
Exactly.
is really
That's
good.
important. You know, when you are doing a technological course, and you have to have one-to-one interaction with your instructor so that your doubts and everything gets cleared up at that live moment, right? Otherwise, there is no use of benefit of investment of so much of money and time into it, right? Okay, Animesh, what was the
Yeah.
course and training that you undergone in CSLD?
I chose a web development course in the CCLD.
Okay, what was the course structure like? How did you find it? What? Yeah.
Uh, I have done other courses in our college too. We have been taught Java and C languages. I have also done Python programming. Now I am searching another courses in this lockdown. I thought let's utilize the lockdown time. So I decided to do a course on web development because uh, when you are a software engineer or when you're studying in computer science, you really need to know how to develop a website, no, for yourself or for to showcase your skills or for to showcase your developments. So you basically need to know how to develop a website for yourself. So I thought to take web development as a course to learn in CCLD.
Great, amazing. So, can you just tell me what have you learned in this particular course and training? That is, what are the frameworks or what are the languages that you've learned?
Yeah, in web development, there is not a particular thing or particular subject or particular topic to learn. There are different type of topics. For example, you can take JavaScript. We also taught PHP. Uh, so how to do front end development. So everything are taught in web development. How to create database. Earlier, I didn't know how to create a database. So when doing a course in web development, I learned how to create a database for your website and how to host, how to do everything, how to create a dynamic website. That's all.
Exactly. So that's amazing, right? So you are now aware of how to deal with SQL and every database and backend and front end both of us. So can I just call you a full stack developer right now?
Yes, yes.
Obviously, that's amazing. So,
Yeah, yeah.
so what are your plans, Animesh? Like after this training is over, what is your plan? Like what do you want to do in the next upcoming future?
In my future, I see myself as a software engineer. Basically, I am continuing in I'm doing my study in computer science. So I really want to be a software engineer. And after when becoming a software engineer, it is really needed to showcase your skills, what you have learned, or what are the courses you have done, or to basically create your resume. So we basically need to showcase our skills. So we have to need web development, what we are taught in CCLD. So if I know about anything, so we need to basically need to do our what we have learned or what we have been taught. So we need to do a website for ourselves that we have learned this thing, or we are learning these things, or we are mastering these things. So basically I learned web development, how to showcase our skills. That's much.
So amazing, right? So it's pretty clear for you that what is your career pathway from now on, right? So how would you rate the performance
Yeah.
of our guidance or like what our instructors and everything? How would you give a review to all of this? Like how did you find the instructors and the course curriculum, the trainings that have been happening. Did you had any problem while you were having the training? Like the training was online, as you say, it was live, right? So did you find any difficulty in the live classes, or any difficulty that you could point out that CSLD can work upon?
Yeah, saying about the impact of CSLD in me, it is too good. It is too good. I feel satisfied to do a course in CSLD. I think I have well utilized my time. I well utilized my this lockdown time in learning in CSLD. It is too worth it also. Saying about the teachers are too friendly. They are very frank, and they tell also we are available for you 24/7, and any problem we also ask our doubts. They also clear our any kind of doubts. And the main thing is we are done here live project. As you know, in the other courses they only give our the handset what to do and what which things to do. We are just only see the videos and do our project, but in CSLD we are given the live project. So by which we just know the different things. We just come across the different practical things, that are technical practical things that must be done in a project. We not only just learn how to do a project, but we just learned how to come across all the things and bring it up onto a market.
Exactly. So
This
you
is the main benefit of CSLD.
exactly you're getting
Yeah.
industrial ready, right? You're getting industry ready, and so that you can just go into the corporate industry and work out there, right? So that's amazing to hear
Yeah.
from you, that CSLD had so much impact on your particular career, and you were so much satisfied with our service. So how do you think feel like, are you gonna come with CSLD? Are you gonna tie up with CSLD in the future days as an intern or as a worker? Like, what are your plans like?
Yes, now I have done only one course that is web development, and I will obviously do any other course. If I'll see in the website, CSLD website, if the course is available, I'll definitely do that course in CSLD, because it is a good platform. And in future, if something is really good is going to be in CSLD, then I will always ready for to participate.
Exactly, that's amazing to hear
Yeah.
from you, Animesh. It's amazing to have an interview with you. That's the last question for you. What do you feel like? Are you gonna suggest your friends and family about CSLD to join CSLD as a, the CSLD has two parts, right? CSLD is for students who want to get internships, who want to get training. So there's this part, and there's another called development sector as well, where we provide services to our clients, right? We create mobile hybrid apps, we create websites for them. So how do you feel like? Are you gonna suggest your parents or your family members, your connections, to come to Sales India and join us here?
Yeah, definitely. Obviously, I will say my friends to join CSLD, as I will share my experience to them also, like how good CSLD is, and how good his teaching is, so
Exactly.
they can also get the benefit that I have got. Yes,
Yeah, amazing.
I'll
Amazing.
really suggest them to join CSLD.
That's really good, Animesh. Thank you so much. It was great having you here. All the best for your future endeavors, and we are always there with you, right? Anytime, any difficulty, you can just mail us in a CSLD, and we are there for help our alumni. So all the best. Thank you for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you.